Hello everyone, welcome to this video, part 11 in the series Basil is a cat, or in Old English, Basil is Cætt, Dal Endleofan. Now in this video we continue Basil's story by paying attention to how words change slightly depending on where they appear in a sentence. You don't need to learn any new grammar terms here, all that comes later on. You'll see familiar words used again and again with simple prepositions like on, to, at, mid, and be. By reading and listening carefully, you'll begin to feel how Old English shows relationships like place, movement, and position without having to memorize rules and so on. So let's make a start, and I'll just hide that. Okay, Basil sitter on floor. He rast stille. Basil stent at tham huset. He loketh under hinne. Basil gath on huset. He sitte her. Basil gath to tham jerde. He stent daar. Basil sitte on jerde. He rast lange. Basil sitte mit mette. He is belide. My apologies, sorry. He is belide. He is belide. Sorry about that. Basil gath mit him. He gath neech tham stole. Basil sitte neech tham deorum. He lokath lange. Basil gath of jerde. Basil gath of jerde. He eerde to tham huset. Basil sitte bethara dura. He rast stille. Basil neer sitte on tham stole. He sitte on floor. That weef sitte her. Basil loketh at tham weave. Basil sitte mit his mette. He et stille. Basil gath on hus. He rast on floor. Basil sitte on floor, stent at tham huset, and gath to tham jerde. That ende for nu, the end for now. Thank the elm for tham the ye this ye share worden. We meteth eft. Thanks to all you for watching. We'll meet again next time. I'll put that back for a moment. As I've just said, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful, and I shall see you all in the next video. By the way, could you please push the like button and subscribe? I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you, everyone. Take care and see you next time. All right. Bye for now.